Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. Umakwela says she doesn't like it when Mselegu takes medication because it's not what she subscribed. In a recent episode, she admitted that she doesn't like it when Mselegu takes medication, stating, "This is not what I've subscribed for." Her words, though softly spoken, carried the weight of vulnerability, discomfort, and the truth many were not prepared to hear. At first, it might seem harsh or even insensitive, but digging deeper, it becomes clear that her words come from a place of fear, helplessness, and a longing for the man she once knew before illness or medical dependence become part of their reality. For many, Makwela's reaction reflects the silent grief partners often carry when their loved ones begin to rely on chronic medication. It's not just about the pills, it's about the shift, the fragility, the confrontation with mortality. When she said, "It's not what I subscribed for," she was in essence mourning a vision of her husband and her marriage that no longer exists. It was raw, it was real, and it hits home. Our next topic, social media users are saying that Makwela is securing an empty bag from Mosam. Social has erupted with a sharp criticism and concern following the pregnancy news of Makwela, the fifth wife of Mosam. While some are congratulating her, a growing number of users are expressing serious doubts about her future, claiming that Makwela is securing an empty bag, a phrase that's gone viral online, and the public weigh in on her decision and reality of the life in the Mselegu household. From the outside, marrying into the Mselegu family might look like a golden ticket, a life of fame, wealth, and influence, thanks to their popular reality show and Musa's public image as a successful businessman. Critics say the bag Makwela is securing might be symbolic to social statuses or television fame, but is not one filled with financial or emotional riches. Some even doubt Musa's ability to take care of all 5 wives and their children. Our next topic, social media users are eager to know how Mayeni will react to the pregnancy news of Makwela. I guess pregnancy has come sooner than many expected, especially given the speed at which Musa married her. A decision that raised eyebrows from the very beginning. Now, with a baby on the way, social media users are convinced they know why Musa was in such a rush to introduce wife number 5 into the fold. Some feel like this was always the plan, while others are more confused on what this meant for the exist wife, especially Mayeni, who has been known for her blood honesty and deep emotion when it comes to the matter of the heart. The question that's spanning across timelines: how will Mayeni take this? Mayeni has never hidden her discomfort with the idea of Musa adding more wives. She expressed pain and resistance during past discussions about expanding the family, and viewers have witnessed her struggle to accept the evolving dynamics in her marriage. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.